Hurricane Milton, live updates on its destructive path across Florida. Hurricane Milton has moved off Florida's east coast, leaving destruction in its wake. The storm produced hurricane-force winds, reaching speeds of 85 miles per hour and heavy rainfall. Around 3 million customers in Florida are currently without power due to the storm's impact. The National Hurricane Center warns of continued hazardous conditions in east-central Florida. Stay informed as Hurricane Milton continues to affect the region with its aftermath. Stay tuned for more updates on Hurricane Milton's impact.